Good morning. I've been living in this house for almost 6 months now. Can you believe it? It's gone so quick. So a lot of you, since we moved in, wanted a house tour, and I thought, well, it's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. When is it ever going to be ready? And also I'm jetting off to Croatia in 2 days, so I need to clean and organize the entire house. So I thought I would do what I promised in my announcement video. We will be doing a giant, very satisfying speed clean of the house, as well as a house tour. Towel time. All right, towels in. Are you not entertained? And start. Ignore the washing machine. Okay, so before I give you a tour of the kitchen, which one of my favorite rooms in the house, I need to clean it. So, cue very satisfying time lapse. You're welcome. Oh, and also, okay, play some smooth tunes.
Alright, check out this smooth music station on YouTube Music.
We have to cut the music now for copyright claim, but trust me. I actually get a lot of questions about these mugs, and I actually picked them up in Hanya, in a little pottery shop. They are very unique, all hand painted and beautiful. But yeah, Hanya in Greece. Are you thoroughly enthralled? So I'll be doing mopping later, but here's my kitchen. Excuse me, do you mind? Kind of rude. We're shooting in here, get out! Hi, this is my kitchen. I love this room because it's so big for a kitchen. I think anyway, there's so much room. Yeah, doing all the mopping later, so we don't have to worry about that. But yeah, here she is, all nice and clean. The one thing we use her the most is this, which is our coffee grinder. She is so good. Then we have a little tea station here. Kettle, coffee beans direct from Tunisia. Then we have Scott's little citrus tree. We got a little spiky aloe succulent. We got this one, which I'm trying to grow. I'm giving her food, giving her all the right water, lots of sun. No, she's just like, I'm gonna stay at 18 centimeters and that's it. Got a little Google Home. Yes, I measured her. I need to measure her. Got a little Google Home there, obviously. I've started using this breakfast bar a lot more as well to eat lunch and breakfast at. And yeah, then over here we've got the fridge and the freezer behind here. Ooh, okay, that could probably do with a clean. Never mind. So yeah, that is the kitchen. Okay, so this is the conservatory. I gave everything a pretty good wipe down yesterday, so we just need to do a little bit of dusting and some vacuuming, because the floor, girl, you need some work. One thing to note, this desk isn't meant to be here and it's not staying here. We're actually selling it, and I needed to get it out of my office from upstairs. And when I came home, Scott had somehow just picked it up and brought it all the way downstairs into the conservatory. The man is something special, my chairs is. Alright, this is our conservatory. It becomes a literal greenhouse in here when the sun is shining, which makes it great for like tomato plants. But other than that, the only things that can survive are the spiky ones. The cacti of life. We have a Carl. Carl is doing great. He's growing a nubbin. I don't know what that means. I got this little ladder shelf, which I love, 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 love. I'll try and link anything down below that I mention. An old lamp, don't know what you're still doing there. But yeah. Also, this, I'm not a big fan of the nautical theme, but there is a shop in a place called Northfield, and basically it's just the question mark shop. You'll be familiar with this if you follow me on Instagram, and this was £1. So she lives there. We got the sofa for free. this beautiful concrete top table. There you go, that is our conservatory. It's so bloody lush sitting in here in summer, and even in the evenings if you have friends over, just sit here, drink wine. Oh, it's lush. Now look, I'm not gonna lie, I just sat down for 40 minutes and watched YouTube videos. Because when Jenna Marbles uploads a video, you sit down and watch it and then continue to watch 3 other videos after. Anyway, back to work. Lounge. Don't mind if I do. Crumbs. I learned from Mrs. Hinch, take a capful of fabric softener and some water and spray your fabrics with it. Yes, that makes sense. Anyone else just like in their lounge have bras flung in places because you've ripped them off your body in the evening while you're watching reruns of Prison Break? No? Just me? Alright. So, here is the lounge. It's very lounge-like, wouldn't you agree? It's actually quite a big lounge. All this back here, you know, it's a work in progress. I have all of the travel photos. I want to get more printed. I mean, I put Poundland into business, to be honest, buying these frames. Got my canvas, of course. Welcome to the channel, Sushi. Yes. Yes, queen. It's a new tank, so it went a bit cloudy yesterday, but it's clearing back up. We're putting all the good bacteria in for Sushi, and she is thriving. So she's starting to clear up and settle down now, which is nice. Sushi enjoys swimming rapidly at the filter and chasing bubbles. Also enjoys a little bit of log time. That's our Sushi. Anyway, so this whole shelf thing is a bit of a mess. Nothing is in a nice Pinterest kind of place. We've got our security camera, which was gifted by Nest and Google. Aww, cute. Yeah, we got a lot going on right now, but time, that's all it is. Obviously, we got the big coffee table book from Lonely Planet. We've got, I think it's called a Never Never plant. She's my absolute favorite. She is just like incredible. The color, oh. And this one is starting to open really fast now. Exciting. Yeah, I still need to vacuum in here and stuff, but this is the lounge. These are stairs. These are our stairs. I'm going to clean them. Unsubscribe now. Hey girls, how you doing? Woo, they are my babies. They weigh a ton. These are my 2 hand-carved, very heavy, not fake at all, terribly expensive Egyptian cats that I got in Luxor, was it? I think it was in Luxor, from a very reputable place, and they weigh a ton. They are hand-carved from a solid piece of flint, and they are glorious. Can we name them? We need to name them. They guard the passageway to the bedroom. Okay, Room of Doom? No, we're leaving that till last. Isn't that what they tell you to do? You know, get the easy jobs out of the way with first. But some people say the opposite. Some people are crazy. We're leaving it till the end, the bedroom. There's clothes everywhere. I need to change the bed cover. We'll do the bathroom. Excuse me while I polish this shelf here. Oh, India. Such an amazing photo. New Zealand, New York. The Philippines and New Zealand in the same frame. Ta-da! Alright, so here she is. This is a bathroom. We organise things in baskets here, which are so... There we go. We have Ivy and Larry. Little jungle llama there. And yes, it's everything a bathroom could be, or should be, or want to be. Yes, shower, sink, toilet. Quite a lot of room. Carpet was here when we moved in. Not a fan of carpet in the bathroom, but hey, it's okay. It's okay. And if you need to see your shoes, not a problem. we got you covered. There's absolutely no point in me showing you the office because I did a dedicated video on a home office makeover a couple of weeks ago, I think. So I'll link that up for you if you want to see like in depth of the home office and where I film and get all my creative juices out. That sounded nasty. Nasty. All right, so I'm just gonna give it a quick dust and a vacuum, and we're gonna move on to the room of doom. Jolly me, won't you? So dusty. Yeah, I kind of went away for a couple of hours. So let's be real, I didn't want to do this, but it is time. I just had a really cool experience. On my Instagram the other day I put up a story of a baby fox that came, fox cub that came into our garden. And I was like, oh my god, baby fox! And I was out in the garden and I realised there was no fat balls out for the birds. It was all empty, their cage. So I went to the shed and as soon as I stepped around the fence, because it's like another garden almost where our shed is and everything, I just had this like, it was like a scowling and like rushing in the bushes, and I saw his tail go into the bush. So he's still coming around. Is there a hammer up here? There's a lot going on. Just took my gels off. They've been on a month and not a single chip in the polish. Love it. I go to a place called Mint. It's in Birmingham city centre. If anyone's curious, they're amazing, they're lovely. And they last a month if you want them to, but then they get horrifically long, so I've cut all my nails back. And now I have little stumpy nails. They were like, oh, they were so long, but underneath I've got a crack, a little crack, and a crack, a split. So whenever I grab anything, it's just gonna, basically I'm gonna bleed soon. Got these pillows sent to me for free as an actual gift. Like they were like, you really don't need to show them to your audience, but we saw you just moved into a new house. So can we send you some bamboo pillows? I was like, okay, sure. Because we were having a problem with our memory foam ones. And now I've like slept on them for like almost 6 months. They are really good, really, really good. And they don't go super weird and hard like memory foam do, but they're still quite firm. They're nice, but I think they're costing about 100 quid a piece. But I suppose they're a good investment. 6 months in, we're still loving them. So yeah, there you go. I'll give you another update in 6 months. It's probably the least finished, well, the most unfinished room, the least finished room, but it's a bedroom and we don't spend any time in here. You know, got a little open wardrobe, plenty of mirrors for some reason, you know, and things just live here. We have storage. Ooh, girl, ooh, hey, towel, spoiler. So, this was weird and wonderful. I still haven't showed you the garden, only because it's a garden, and I'll show it in another vlog at some point when we start, you know, if we go out and do some gardening or whatever. Oh my god, I'm dying. I hope you enjoyed this, me speed cleaning the house. I find these videos super satisfying to watch, like really satisfying, and also it gave everyone who has been asking for a house tour a little bit more of a sneak peek. If you want to see our moving vlogs, and I did film the process of moving in, where everything looks a lot more bare, and I'll link those up. Oh my god. And also my office makeover tour thing, and also saying that as well. See, I have got home stuff on this channel. Anyway, gonna stop rambling. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it satisfying. And yes, I will see you in the next video. Alright, loving, leaving.